Okay, we're going to switch to just chatting very briefly because I just realised my microphone's not even set to my face. And, moreover, why can we not see... There we go. Strange. Why was it not showing? Okay, hello. Let's just check the microphone's working fine for everyone. It seems like it is indeed. We'll switch over to main screen in a second. I just want to make sure everything's working fine. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Hope everyone's doing well. Nice to meet you, Frozen Fried Dev. Frozen Fried Dev? Yep. I had to check I read that right. Okay. So, today, first off, okay now, right? It's not blasting anyone's ears out. It looks a bit loud on the meter. And I look a bit quiet on the meter. Bit strange. I thought the music maybe is a bit loud, so we'll just crank it down a little more. Okay, that's fine for now. Right, so, hello, welcome. I'm going to be working on some stuff today, if you couldn't guess. And we're not going to do any game today, we're just going to work on the game itself. We're not going to divert to trying someone else's game or anything like that. We're just going to try and crack out some updates. So I believe I clicked, but I didn't click post on the thing. 1 second, I'm a lemon. There we go. I know it's a late night stream this, so we're not going to be expecting a whole lot of people like normal. But I'll put it out there and I'll ping in the main Discord because honestly I don't see why not. There we go, we'll put a ping out. How is everyone's day going? Hopefully it's going well. Let me just make a save of this. I don't know why I need to save already. Okay. Right. So when we left off, we were editing around with the build menu, this little thing. And drop it there very briefly. In theory, if I open this now, it should just put it where it needs to. So we're playing around with this. We haven't stripped out this stuff yet. So today what we need to do is A, remove all the demonstration text. B, I want to edit it so that these boxes actually are like a side image. So we're going to go into Photoshop editing software and we're going to edit that out so it works better. And then C, the fun part is getting the translations linked to the text, and the demonstration text here was just very blunt. It isn't accurate names. Like this was just me placeholdering something just to see if it looked right when I click a state. If I was to click this, this should show up. Right now it's fixed to my screen just to demonstrate, but you would click on one of the building slots, you get this, and then once you've got this, you can pick where you want. Build, say I want to build a metal plant. Obviously, it won't click through the map into one of these, but you'd click one of these, and then that would go here. I'm going to be honest. I'm split on how I want to go about this. I'm really split on it. I have an idea, though. See, I have an idea to fix this. I might make it so these are all one category, these are all one category. I have categories here and information here. You'll pick one and then you'll confirm it. That's the problem. But anyway, let's go into Photo Editor and edit this around a bit first. We'll edit a bit with it, see how far we get. So, for you guys to be able to see that, I need to pull up a Photo Editor. I'll screen it. And we're just going to edit the actual asset itself very briefly. And then it should be good to go. I might honestly change my mind a little. So I was tinkering around with this, so forgive me for, you know, messing around with a new idea. There was. And the idea is to have that pop-up be a information box, and then the the building section will be its own page for simplicity. I'm still not sure how I feel about that though. But we'll see. Let's have a see what we get up to. So let's see if I can find this quickly. Um, Trying to find what I'm looking for, and I cannot find it. We're off to a great start. Right, what we'll do, we'll drag this in here, and will edit the image first, basically. And then we'll go from there. So what I needed to do... Oh, shoot, I edited them. Yeah, I remember this. Right, yeah, no, that's fine. 1 second, guys. I need to go in and figure out why these ones are special. Why are you special? Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. And then I want to drag this into a photo editor. I'm just going to have the photo editor up on screen real quick while we're tinkering with this. Okay. Let's do that for a second. You can just see the game for a second while I'm tinkering with this. Right. I want... Honestly, my brain's fried today, and I'm trying to remember what I'm looking for, and I feel like I'm an idiot. Right. Inspect. Oh, and I want to do the same with you. Okay, cool. Then, why can I not scroll left? Are you telling me that is the furthest left this page goes? Because that's sketchy. Anyway, we'll drop that there. Save that. And the last thing I need to do is to fix this here and save. And then we'll drag it over. Okay, so here we are now then. What I'm going to do, we're going to transition over and we're going to try and see how we can go about doing this. Welcome to the photo editor. And this is what it looks like for the layer without that effect on it. Honestly, it looks fairly good. I can't lie, it's a fairly good layer. I'm honestly start tired today. But I feel like I want the images. Now we have images for the buildings, right? Right? I'm not imagining this. We do have like game pack. Oh, my brain. I got a drink quickly. Got stuff in my shelf. There we go. God, these make life easier. Right, trying to find these images, and I don't actually know where they are, which is off to a great start. I thought they would be in here, they're not. Strange. Maybe they're in here, in here, in here. Nope. That. Should I run a build of the game quickly and see how big the game is, guys? What do you think? Very well might do. Now I want to know what layer you are. Your map new. I'm gonna rename that to Conus map. That's fine. And all I need to do is remap that in. Good. And then we can switch the screen over real quick. I love this song, this dog songs. Love it. Right, so want to see if like someone's whacked me over the head with a pipe right now. Right, so here's the plan, right? We're going to take this grid and we're going to break it up into a few elements. And the way it's going to work is we're going to take these top bits here and we're going to basically make it into two things, right? I'm going to switch over to the game, so bear with me a second. There's a train of thought going on here and I'm just editing in the background trying to work this out. I want to click on this. I want basic information here, including an option to build in this slot. When you click build, you'll get taken to a page. Yeah, you might get taken to a page or a different pop-up, more likely or not. And that different pop-up will minimize, freeze you in place. You'll have to interact with it. When done, you can then, you know, finish what you were doing. Memory, why do you fail me now? Should we lock it in place even if they click off to another side of the system? So you click research. I think so. But I also think that's a very restrictive approach. Let's say we click research, right? Okay, we're gonna look over here. I need to remove that. 1 second. I'm removing that dev status that tells me what this is receiving. I've had enough of seeing it there. It's irrelevant now. Let's just remove new text. Okay, that should now no longer be there. Good. Right. Anything else that's I think there's barrels where we have that like overlap. Oh, the double action, single actions, yes. Okay. I'm just testing here just purely to see if this data's saving or not. Where it should be. If I go back, go to map, and I open up my debugger real quick, in theory I should see all those things we just did. It would appear yes. Oh, wonderful that is indeed. Okay. I have a plan. I have a plan. Yeah. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go into this. We're gonna edit you. We're gonna jump right back to what we want to do here. So bear with me a second. Just give me un momento, por favor. Okay, save that. Theory that should now. Yeah. I absolutely hope everyone's day is going good. Your day's not going good, let me know why. Don't say my day's terrible. I'll be like, okay. What hit you with a hammer, eh? Okay. So I do this and this. Okay. So I know I've been like tabbing between these. I feel like this is better than this. So my thought pattern is data here, right? Options of buttons here. And then the top bit's going to be the building's this. If it's empty, it'll say empty. Right? My brain already hurts doing this. And then a graph down here. About the productivity over time. That sounds like a smart way to go at this, but I'm not sure at the same time, you see. I'm like half debating it. I mean, how much space do I actually allocate myself here? How much space this is, but we can add a new layer. And we'll just paint it red. Then it's 642 by 183. Right, well, it's not the perfect dimensions for a grid then, is it? However, we can make it work. So, I have pictures in my head now. Honestly, I just feel like someone's hit me with a buzz, and I can't think straight. I'm sorry, guys. I am going to actually call it because, yeah, I can't think straight. Even this is confusing me because I don't know what it is. I've had just a rough day, clearly. I'm just tired. But yeah, I apologize. It's a very, very short stream. I will do a longer stream tomorrow. It's Friday anyway, so I've got time. Guys, do apologize. I'm going to cut it very short today. I can't think at all. I thought I'd be fine, but then I get on the stream, I'm just like absolutely exhausted. Exhausted and absolutely dehydrated all of a sudden. So, what we're going to do, we're going to wrap it up here. Apologies. I will see you guys tomorrow.